So I just glossed this vehicle, and I put several layers of gloss on slowly and carefully, and it's very shiny and very smooth. And I dropped it and I knocked the tail off. That is the tail. Let's have a look. It was so slippery. I thought it was a complete disaster, but actually I haven't lost much, so I should be able to get it back in. That's the only real fixing point. So I'm going to have to find a way of holding that. I can't find my clamps at the moment. What am I going to do? So after holding it by hand for a while, it seems to me this might be the only reasonable option. Bring in the heavy armour. Is that square? Is that... oh. I put a set square, that's what they are, aren't they? These little plastic triangle things. Put a set square up to it, but I'm going to make sure it's in line. Alright, I'll double check. And there it is, one tail, definitely on. And I have put another couple of layers of white gloss paint on, and I'm ready for the canopies. What on earth has happened here? I suspect the white balance on the camera is reducing the issue, but I've been painting the glassware with Humbrol enamel matte white as a base coat, and it's gone creamy yellow. Pardon the mess out here, but it's rained like mad. I was trying to tidy up and it rained, so I came in, but cream. Look at it. Well, I was going to do a gloss overcoat, but that's definite now. That isn't going to match up to the aircraft one little bit. Hang on, I'll go and get it. How about that? That's not white, is it? That was a new pot, a new brush. Parts have been cleaned. The brush was cleaned. Pot was shaken up and stirred. Something wrong there. And it's getting worse over time. I thought I'd have the whole of the construction done by now, and all we'd have to do is put the markings on. But that's going to take some reworking, and that's I haven't got time to do that right now. I've got other things need doing in the real world. So this is going to run on to another episode. I didn't want that to happen. Well, I did. Markings. Now it's probably going to run on to 2. Oh dear. So under the circumstances, I thought now's the time to embrace a canopy mask. So I've had a look online, and certainly where I live there isn't one. Perhaps there is and it's not available. Perhaps the supply chain is still as ropey as ever. Who knows, but I can't get hold of one. So that's a great shame, because I was willing to take it on at long last. But well, there we go. I am without. So the whole thing drags on, and all I can say right now is there's going to be more soon. I mean, that's a statement of the extraordinarily obvious. Or, well, soon. There's certainly going to be more episodes to this one. This could be turning into a disaster. Thanks for watching. See you again. Hold on. I think I've found one in Lowestoft. Fantastic. Let's see if I can log in, register, and actually buy one. That would be good, wouldn't it?